Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint a lotus bud easily. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Let's start. At first I draw round shape. Then I divide it into two portions. I draw the line and join the line. Now I erase the line. This is the drop of water. Now I am going to show you lotus bud. So I draw Y, alphabet Y at the middle of the bud. This is the middle line. I draw two standing line. We make two curved line. After finishing my drawing, then I apply the colors accordingly. I choose the color pink, rose pink and red. Okay, pink, rose pink, pink, rose pink, primary red. We draw the border line with primary red. Light green, sap green, light blue, Prussian blue. I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.